And it's time to make you famous.
Oh. Are you doing live video?
Yep. Yep. Alright, guys. Come through. Yeah, he's back. Yeah, we're starting again. We are starting again. She knows.
Bye-bye.
Okay, guys.
Okay, but this not last space.
Change not to self-famous.
So remember?
Let me go that side. It is capturing already.
Yeah, it's live.
Okay.
So when you go that way, like it's your right, when you come back, so remember, with your right, the jab is going to come from your right. Yes, then. So always protect yourself all the time. Yes. Yes. Jab. 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 Nice. One more. The leg, now change legs. So you're going to jab from this side. Left. Okay. Yeah. So number 10, increase the view. Right, let's go. Nice. Keep going. Perfect. Just like it. Back again. The other side. Okay. Perfect. Nice. I like it. Keep going. Straight. Yes, I like it. Back again. Change legs again. Keep going. Perfect. Nice. Just like it. Straight punches. Straight. Nice. Straight. Perfect. Keep going. Nice. And now so
You.
see, and I go and then we hook back. So straight hook. So remember, the first one is this one, and then you're gonna hook. When you hook, lift, and you're gonna twist the fingers out. In, so this. Let's go again. Remember, always protect yourself. The next one. So remember, you're gonna protect all the time. Protect. Yes. That's it. In, hook. Elbow up a bit. That's it. Just like it. Come, sister. Here we go. Now back. Now we're gonna change again. Okay. So remember, in first. You're gonna jab with this one first. Jab and then hook. Nice. In, hook. Okay. Jab, hook. Protect all the time. Jab, hook. Jab, hook. Jab. Jab, hook. Let's go. Jab, hook. That's it. Come. Jab, hook. That's it. Keep going. Jab, hook. Perfect. Again, you can go again. In video, you are right again. Jab, hook. Let's go. Come. Jab, hook. Protect. Jab, hook. Nice. Jab, hook. Nice. Keep going. Jab, hook. Let's come. Jab, hook. Jab, hook. Jab, hook. That's it. Jab, hook. One more. Jab. You're supposed to go fine. Now this side. So remember, your stance always protect yourself. Always. Right? So, jab, hook. And then back to you. So, protect. So, as you enter the box, you jab. Out of the box, and then the next box. Okay? Back. Jab, hook. Don't hesitate. As you enter, you jab it, and then you hook it. As you enter, you jab it, and then you hook it. So remember, straight jab, and you hook. Jab, right hook. So remember, straight That's it, like that. Come, sister. There we go. Perfect. Nice. How's it? Good.
Take.
Nice one. So now. Okay.
Done.
Okay.
Fire. Fire.
I'm going to take them.
Yeah. Let's go again. So remember, to get it slow in, out. As you come up, punch. In, squat.
Oh, squat outside.
Outside, yes, squat outside. So like this. Let's go. In, out, and then punch as you come up. Yes. And the next box. Out, squat, as you come up. Yes. Then, okay, let's do this one. Let's work on this one. So just give me this. Just go like this. So in other box squat. In other box squat. Yes. And then the next one. So the next one squat. And the next one. So from here, we enter the next box. There. Yes. The next box. Yes. Like this. Okay. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Let's go. Push. There we go. And back. So you enter the box and out. Squat. Remember, protect yourself. Arms up all the time. Activate core. Perfect. Just like that. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Activate. Come. Nice. I like it. Come, sister. Push. Push yourself. Nice. I like it. I like it. I like it. So in the box, out the box, squat. In the box, out the box, squat. We're coming back again. Go for it. Let's go. Come. In, out, squat. In, out, squat. That's it. In, out, squat. In, out, squat. In, out, squat. Keep going. Don't give up. Push yourself. Nice. I like it. Come. Push it. Push it. Push it. Push it. That's it. Come. Keep going. One more and squat. Back. The last time for the last time. There we go. Go for it. Okay. Nice. Squat. Okay. Squat. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Push yourself. Nice. Go. There we go. There we go. Don't stop. Keep going. Push. Give me the last one. And set. Perfect. Nice. Okay. Nice one, sister. Okay, so I want us to, let me try, let's try this one.
Something is wrong with network. Yeah. Something's wrong with the network.
So, I'm going to show you also uppercuts. So you enter the box faster. So which one you want to work? Okay? Like that. So, start from the side. Coming from the side.
Okay.
Out, left leg, in. Left leg, in first. When you come from this side, right leg in first. Leg in, right leg in. From there, right hand, go to the right hand side. Okay? Go for it. Let's go. So start from this side. So remember it's uppercut. So you keep on. Like it. Like it. Right? Let's go. But remember that the left is left in first. Left in first. So it's coordination. There we go. Nice, sister. Push yourself. Come. That's it. Nice. Back. So now the right in first. Right in first. So we're going on the right. Okay? Let's go. So right in first. Right in first. That's it. It's coordination. Keep going. Keep going. Come, sister. Perfect. Come. I want to see those uppercuts. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Nice. And back. Now the left in first. It's a hectic one, this one. Okay? It's a nice one. So we're going to go again. Okay? So now remember, because since you're going towards the left hand side. It's gonna be your left in first. Ne? Okay, working on your footwork. Let's go. Come, sister. In, out. Yes, I want to see those uppercuts throughout all the time. Keep going. Push yourself. Activate your core. Come, push. Nice, I like it. Keep going. Don't stop. Push. One more. You're gonna come back again. Come back with the right again. Right leg in first. And with the uppercuts all the time. Yes. Perfect. You're doing well. You're doing well, sister. Go for it. Go for it. Don't give up. Okay, let's go. Yeah, right in first. Yes. Just like that. Come. I want to see those uppercuts throughout. Perfect. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Don't stop. Push yourself. Let's go. Come. Nice. There we go. Well done, well done, well done. So now we're gonna start sparring, nah? Yeah, now you're ready. Now you warmed up. I don't know where can I see something. So let's do this. Start now. So, still your last thing like this. 1, 2. This is uppercut. So for that, this one stay like this. 1, 2. So remember 1, 2. So, nice. Again. More. There. Nice. Start like this. So, apakah dulu isi? So, apakah? sound. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right in between. All faster. 1, 6, 7, 8, 2 more. Hands. Nice sister. So now the other side. Yeah? Now the other side. So your left leg back. So on this side. So from this side. So remember, you're 18. 20. Let's go. This one. Yes. 18. Come sister. 4. Come sister. 4. Let's go. Perfect. Nice sister. So, I want 1, 2, okay, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, uppercut hook, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then done. You remember? So, 1, 2, 1, 2, uppercut. So it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, uppercut hook, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it. So let's do it very simple. So slowly. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3 now. 4, 1, 2. And then release. That's what I want. Okay. Let's go. 2 first. Okay. Uppercut. 3, 4, 1, 2, 4, then we got. Yes, that's what I want. Okay. That's it. Let's go. 1, 2, let's start again. 2, 1, 2, 3, uppercut, 3, there, 1, 2, 3, that's it. Let's go again. Remember, always protect yourself. You make it strong, that's it. That's it. 2, 1, 2, 3. Uppercut, 3, there, 1, 2, 3, 4, there we go. Again. Now, sister, keep it. Let's go again. 2, 1, 2, 3. Uppercut, there, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. Let's go again. Become sister. 2 first. 3, 1, 2, 3. Uppercut. Yeah. Nice. That's it. Okay, let's do this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do 4 instead of 3. Because I want to give you a chance. So it's going to be 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Uppercut. And then 2. And then we're done. And then 3. Then 3 and the last one. Okay, let's do a try. So we're going to go 1, 2 now. We change it. 1, 2, 4 now. 4. Uppercut. Much better. So let's do before I do that. Okay, let's do that. And then 1, 2, 3. We close with 3 after that. So 2, 4. Uppercut. Good. Down. As you come up. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 4. There. See. There first. Remember? And then 3. This side. Yeah, that's what I want. Let's start again. Come sister, you build 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3. This side, there, down. And then 1, 2, 3. This side. Remember, you're gonna hit. Nice. This one. Let's try again. Let's go again. 2, 4. 4. Down. 3. This side. Nice. That's it. Let's try again, sister. Right. So you're getting it. Let's go again. 2. Let's go. 2, 4. 4. Tuck it. Nice. Okay, let's do 4. Let's do 4 instead of 3. The arms. You know who's this? So let's go again. 1, 2, 1, 2, 4. 4. 3. Then what needs to be recorded? It's a more start. I don't know if you're doing it properly. Joe! Nice one. It's a nice one. It's a nice one. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. That's it. Nice. It's a lot of weight, man.
Yeah, it's easy.
But it's fine. Yes. See me. What? Give me a check. Just check. Jump. Come, sister. Jump. 1, 2. Ha! You see? That's it. You see, you miss it, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. first one. First one. One, two, one, two, 3, 4, uppercut, tap, and then 1, 2, 3, 4.
Huh?
But are we still live? Still live. So let's see it. Let's see the time. So let's do it slowly. 2, 4. That's what I want. Let's go ahead. Remember, take yourself. 1, 2, let's go. 2. Go. Okay. This side. You got it. Let's go ahead. 2, 4. Okay. Remember, uppercut this. This side. Yeah. 4. Uppercut. 4. Nice. That's it. You see. Come again. Let's go. 2, 4. Down. 4. Nice sister.
Manji, mo fẹ́ di kí fo. Eh.
Yes, sister. Let's go again. Come. 2, 4. Uppercut. Down 4. Move. Let's move. Again. Come, sister. Let's go. 4. Uppercut. This side, man. 4. I want to see that uppercut, man. Let's go again. Come, sister. Let's go. 2. 4. 1, 2, 3. Uppercut. This one. There. One more. A nice one. One more. Nice. 2. 4. Uppercut. Let's do that again. I want the proper one. Then I'll let you go down. 2, 4. Uppercut. I want to see that uppercut. See that uppercut. Let's see. Did it? I want to see that. Then. Down. And then 4. Let's go again. Let's get system down. 4. Yes. Go. Nice. Perfect. That's a nice shot. That's it. Okay. So I want it. Back to your corner. So from that side. Yeah. So when I come in the jab. Then bang. So you don't do too many steps. So you're gonna go jab, punch, and so bang. See, jab. Remember, jab. Straight. Remember, straight. Okay, let's go again. Bang. Jab. Not for me, sister. Let's go jab. Remember, jab.
Yeah. Uba ski fela ka tsase. Uba ski fela o.
Sister. Thank you all.
Sharp.
This uppercut hooks then. Let's shit, sister. Listen. Okay? Yeah. Remember? Let's go. Yes, sister. Stop. Yes, stop. Move your hips. Yes. Stop. Nice. So I want to swing like that. Again, then. We're gonna go around there. Let's do this. Alright. So we're gonna go this way. Okay? So the continuous. Let's start again. Listen. So change side, then this side. Now we're gonna hit the punching bag. How was it? Very nice. No problem. Yes, now we can have punch.
I know. Oh, guys. Guys, something's wrong with your network, guys. Comments are not moving, numbers are not moving, but you are alive. Something is wrong. Comments are not moving, the numbers are just something's wrong with the network, yeah. But it's showing me that we are live.
What network is it?
Vodacom. But it has been giving problems from yesterday.
Is it?
No, from Saturday, I think.
Saturday.
Yeah, because there is a certain function that we went the network.
Okay. Get it. So, sister, I want this movement. Huh? So, up. Up. So you're gonna twist. So yourself, say, protect. Yes, come. Well done. How was it? It's a good one, eh?
Yeah.
Works you. So now work your obliques as well.
Yeah.
So now, sister, I want you to get it. Squat position. So this is your opponent. Eh? That's your head, your torso, the middle section, and then the lower section. So I want you to focus here. Eh? So you're just gonna hit it. Plus, just gonna hit it. So I want you to use your obliques. Yeah, obliques all the time. So soft knees, and then you're gonna hit it. Use your obliques. That's it, and the shoulders. Let's go. Come, hit it. Yeah. I want it here. Yeah, lower, there. Hit. Come to the punching bag. Control the punching bag with your punches. Come, sister. Don't stop. Come. Keep going. Hit it. Activate core all the time. Nice. Don't stop. I'm counting. Come. Push yourself. I'm counting. Push. Hit. Activate core. So you're working on those obliques as well. Come, sister. Don't stop. Don't give up. Hit it. Hit it. Come. Hit. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, hit, 2, 1. Yeah, nice. That was a good one, eh? That was a good one. Okay, so I'm gonna do this again. Okay. So now you're just gonna play with the punching bag. You go move sideways and how's it? Good, brother. So you just move with it. Okay? So there. Okay? Then again. Okay, protect yourself. So jab. Then you need to protect all the time. Okay? So jab, then punch. Okay, jab, then punch. Jab, punch. So you're gonna punch with this one, remember? So you jab, and then punch. Move. Okay? Again. Let's go. So for the next 3 minutes, for the time unit, for the next 3 minutes, just enjoy the pain. For the next 3 minutes, let's go. Come, sister, come, hit it. So I want you to have fun. Whatever that comes to mind, just do it. But control the pain. Okay, let's but remember all the time. Okay, let's go. Come. Yeah, just have fun, sister. Yes. Sister. Go. Don't stop. Keep going. More. Let's go. Don't stop. Come. Just have fun. Control the back with your punches. Control the back with your punches. Come, let's go, let's go, let's go. Don't stop. Come, sister.
How many minutes more?
You still have 2.5 minutes. Come, 2.5 minutes. Come, 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 come. You're doing very well. Come, let's go. Come, sister. Come, hit it, hit it. Yes, change legs, change legs. Come, let's go. Have fun. Have fun. Protect yourself all the time. Remember, that's it. Come, come. Go, go, go. Come, hit it, hit it. Hit the back. Not yet. Not yet. Come. Still have 2 minutes to go. 2 more minutes. 2 minutes. Come. Let's go. Protect yourself. Come, 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 come. Yes, come. Hit. More. I want to see the hook. Where's the hook? Where's the hook, sister? Yes, there's the hook. There's the hook. Give me the left hook. Left hook. Left hook. From the left. Come, 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 come. You're doing well. Come. Let's go. Come, sister. You can't give up now. Let's go. Push. Come. Come. Let's go. Let's go. Come. Have fun with the back. Have fun with the back. Protect yourself. Protect yourself. Always. Remember. Arms in a bit. Tuck in your elbows. Tuck in your elbows. Like this, sister. Like this. Yeah. Even both sides. Huh? Yes. All the time. Because remember, you don't want your opponent to hit your face. Yeah. You see. That's the sense. Always remember. Protect. Come. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it. Non-stop. Hit it. Come. Come. The back mustn't come for you. Ne? The back mustn't come for you. So you must control it with your punches all the time. Have fun. Have fun. Have fun. Come. Have fun with the back. Come. Not yet, sister. You see, Eva Morris says, no, Cherry Plum says you must have fun with the back. Ne? Come, sister. Not yet. 30 seconds to go. 30 seconds. Come. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come, 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 come. Remember, protect yourself. Protect yourself. I want to see the jabs, the straight punches, the hook. Come, 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 come. More, more, more. Go for the back. Go with the back. Né? So follow the back. When it goes forward, you go forward. When it comes back, you come back. Come, but control it. Punch, punch. Remember, protect yourself. Protect yourself all the time. Hit, hit, hit. Yes. Come, 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 come. Move, 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 move. Change legs, change legs, change legs. Yes. Come, 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 come. 10, 9, come. Protect yourself. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, yes. 1. Well done, well done. Nice. Chaile, né?
Oh no.
Nice one, sister.
Thank you. Hey, coach. I'm tired. Hi. Guys. Hi, coach. We are done tomorrow. I say we are done. Guys, unfortunately, network is not going well. Those who want to train around Rustenburg, Northwest actually, because he also does my private sessions, house calls. So you just get in touch with me on my WhatsApp or my DM, and then I'll hook you up with